If you're looking to retire early and become your own boss, you need to watch the rest of this video. This is something that I do every single day, is help people retire early. I show people a very simple method that I'm going to show you in this video that helps you transition out of that job and become financially free. And it's hands down the easiest and simplest way to do it. The main problem I'm seeing out there is that people still have an industrial age mindset. They're still doing things the old-fashioned way. You need to switch that to an information age mindset. I'm going to show you how in this video. All right, so let's look deeper into this, right? If you're looking to retire early, the main problem that you're having right now is that you have 1 hour and you're trading that 1 hour for money, right? You get paid, usually people get paid an hourly wage. They're like, hey, I'm showing up to work, I get an hour in, I get paid X amount. So usually people work about an 8-hour workday, right? So their thinking is, all right, in order to make more money, I need to put in more hours. That's the only way people know how to make more money. They say, well, I'm working 8 hours now. If I work 9, they'll pay me overtime. 10, they'll pay me even more, etc., etc. So they end up grueling and working longer and longer hours trying to get more money, not realizing, wait, there's another way. So let's look at this again, right? So there's a lot more ways to look at this situation. You're thinking, I can only work for 1 hour and make $20 or whatever dollar amount you want to put in here. I can only work as much as my one human body can handle. So the only thing I can do is work more hours. But the first thought should be, okay, where am I making this money from? This is what people don't really realize, is they're thinking, how many hours can I put towards making more money, when they really should be thinking, wait, I only have one boss who's paying me. What if I got more bosses to pay me for that same hour? What if I got more people to send me money for that 1 hour of work? Because right now you only have one. You only satisfy your boss, they pay you for your work. But what if you work and you have more bosses? So while you can't make more time, you can make more bosses, right? So people will say, well, I don't want to work multiple jobs. That's not what I'm talking about. So what I'm talking about here, what most people don't think about, is have your own business. Because when you have your own business, guess what you have? You have multiple bosses. You have an infinite number of bosses. They're called customers. So instead of working an hour for a fixed hourly wage, you have all these customers where when you work that same hour, you have an unlimited amount of money you can make, because you have an unlimited amount of customers you can get. So what does that mean? That means that your income can skyrocket to the moon. There's no end to how much money you can make. So understand that that's why it seems like it's taking forever to retire from your job, because you only have one source of income. But when you have a business, you have an infinite number of sources of income. So now the next thing I hear all the time is you might be saying, well, business is risky. Business takes a ton of investment. Business is this, business is that. And here's the thing with that. Remember I said early on, this is the information age, which means that things are faster, they're cheaper, they're easier than they've ever been before. In the information age, you can start an online business that takes no skill. You don't have to have your own products. You don't have to be a tech wizard. And it's the method that I teach every single day. It's called affiliate marketing. You're just selling other people's stuff, and it helps you transition out of that job world and into the business world. You can start getting more bosses, making more income, and quit your job. Here's a quick look through my Facebook group where you can see all my students making money every single day with the systems that I teach them. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a video right here you can check out right now. And it's a step-by-step detailed introduction to the world of affiliate marketing to help you quit that job and retire early. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.